welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the kawaii slime review. So these are the slimes. There's 4 slimes in this review and I'm super excited. Let's get started. We're starting off with Strawberry Cow. It came with a little cow charm and a little milk charm. Smells just like strawberry milk. Yummy. Give this an 8 out of 10. Let's move on to the next one. This one is called 𝗵𝗶𝗫𝗀𝗃𝗃. Has a cute little piggy charm that squeaks and a pepper. It also comes with these little piggy female slices. Crunchy. Country Binks Boo Bead Snow Fizz Slime. Smells like real barbecue. PU. I give this slime a 6 out of 10. Move on to the next one. It almost dropped. This is called Fuzzy Duckling Slime and it's a cloud slime. It's with these cute little ducks. With these duck female slices. Smells like marshmallows with vanilla mixed up in it. I give this a 7 out of 10. This slime is called Shelly's Cactus Juice. Smells like aloe. Comes with these boba balls. Out of 10. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, give me a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell. See you all later. Bye.